Oh my god.
What the hell?
Ew, she kissed you, cuz. Let's go buy her a bun and not give her money. But suppose you come back here and you see her. What am I gonna do? Okay. Hi. Here you go.
Hi, many thanks.
You okay?
I sent you that food, so me thank God for it. Can you give me something, Huzzy?
We just give something.
Can't buy, sir.
What you want to buy?
One box food.
Buy one little hot dog, no?
It's 220 of the hot dog.
No, me buy hot dog every day. $100 for people them hot
No,
dog.
$120. $220.
$20 for one hot dog?
Yes.
I like babes.
Yes.
That's a government on nowadays.
Yes.
I like. You them $100 and beg them to give your brother
They're
one.
not gonna give me. That's why my big Huzzy somewhere.
So what you talk about my husband? So here, yeah. Man, you know, man.
Happy September.
Happy August still.
No, I'll go soon finish.
What's your name?
Sandra.
My name Cherry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Cherry.
Yeah, man. So what go on?
I'm there to look for you.
The better one, not true?
Yeah.
They are beg something for man. They are hungry. So beg you something now? Oh God, that's so alright. No, but oh God. No, right now that girl there. That's why I broke one.
220 of the hot dog.
Me there want look at KFC, so me give me have.
Beg you something, Huzzy?
You mean, massa? Can't get look lunch.
Beg you something, Huzzy?
Oh my goodness. I don't have any change.
Look, ma, even $1.
Alright then. Well, that's an even $1.
Even
Hold
$1
on.
US.
$1. I mean, I think $1.
Even $1 US.
No,
No. $1 how much?
$1 America. $1 US.
yeah,
Not this.
America.
Not this.
One US.
What's your name, babes?
I'm Sandra.
Oh yeah, me feel it.
I'm from over that mountain.
Oh, you're over that mountain.
Yeah.
Whoa, really? So where over that mountain name?
Santa Cruz, burnt down, Holding Scheme,
What?
Abraham Ritchie.
So you're in our housing scheme and live a stush, man.
Take me put your darling.
Take a girl picture.
Cheese.
So much you make for money now.
Just wake up and bail and so I can
Here.
get something to eat.
Man, that's how your life sweet. Yeah, so wake up and just go get things. I have to try that life there. I mean, if it doesn't wake up and go get things with Sandra, not true. I live over that mountain still.
Where?
The mountain over there, so.
Southfield.
Yeah, man, Southfield Mountain.
Yeah.
You don't know, say I be a mountain there here and I over here to me go home.
Yes.
Yeah, man, Sandra, so that's a go on, babes. So now no boyfriend?
That's a one, no?
Never feel have no boyfriend. What you say? What does that mean? That's scary. What does that mean, no boyfriend?
He want me to put my lip on his.
Ew! Really, Sandra?
Yeah.
In a real life?
Look. That's why my hand like this. That's why my hand like this. That's why my hand like this. That's why my hand like this.
Why?
Because he want me to eat his dick.
Oh my
Just so
God!
I don't do it, he beat me everything.
My team beat you, Sandra. No man, you have to take a look for nobody. And me say no leak, and me say no abuse. So you not talk to your man? You're afraid for left your man and a one man out the road?
No, but my brother virus.
You afraid of what?
Virus.
Virus?
Yeah.
So how you left your man? You get virus and left your man?
Okay, I left him. I'm going to go kitchen with another fit man.
Yeah, but you can't take abuse, so I'm gonna promote abuse, Sandra.
Yes.
You get me I say?
Yes.
So you must left your man and not take no beating.
Yeah. Me some husband, I'm going to get something for you.
See, I broke my husband, so.
Please.
Alright again. Let me dig and come up again.
That's too much. You not to give me that.
I bless you, sir. I'm well hungry, sir.
I eat bubble gum and chill. Sunshine will say a joker. Awa.
You put a again.
Nothing.
You lie. Sunshine must lie no.
I don't tell lie.
I lie.
Why must you tell lie?
No one.
God said don't tell lie because lie don't carry go nowhere. Come with the truth. Nobody die.
So Sandra, so me can go look work.
Yeah, me get to work down at Miss Luna Club.
Yeah, what kind of club work? I don't know the work me attack. What kind of work you do, sir?
Wipe store, food store.
Oh, me think a club work.
No.
That's good, that's good. So you go to church?
Yeah.
Good girl. I believe in the Lord.
Yes.
I miss a church and I miss
I believe in God.
Amen. So yeah, beg money every day, so give
So
you
better me ask more than got teeth.
yeah, so more so I'm gonna work more than I go back.
Yeah, yeah man.
Yeah. Yeah.
See?
Yeah man, that means I
Come again.
So you reach over a mountain now.
Want me walk or take taxi?
So taxi go over mountain now.
Yeah, but more time when taxi got me just take time, walk on my foot.
And just go and chill.
Yeah.
So we do it still, babes.
Yeah, so happy August, happy September.
We gotta go here later, bye.
Alright, so come back and look for me, okay?
Alright, bye.
Right here.
Alright. Bye.
Alright.
Bye, Sandra. Get some more money. Get more money. Give me some now. She just did that trick. Straight up.
Say.
Send best workers.
Bye, Sandra. Peace out.
Bye. Peace and love.
Alright, my baby. Later.